Hello, in today's video I'll be replacing the cabin filter on the 2016 Toyota Corolla. The cabin air filter on this vehicle is located behind the glove box. First thing you want to do is open the glove box and locate this damper on the right side. You want to squeeze the two tabs together so you can slide out the damper. You want to push in on the right side to release the stopper, and then you want to repeat this on the left side. Yes, you want to remove everything from the glove box beforehand. Let's try this again the proper way. It's okay to just allow the glove box to hang down. This filter cover displays what direction the cabin filter should be installed, with the arrow facing upward. Removing this filter cover, all you have to do is press in on this tab and slide the cover out. Now just remove the old filter by sliding it straight out. This is a new replacement filter we'll be using next to our old really dirty cabin filter. As you can see, it's quite filthy. And this is what the new one should look like. Installing the new cabin filter is just as easy. You just want to make sure to install it with these arrows facing upward. Reinstall the filter cover by sliding it into the slot on the left, and it should just snap back in. Push the glove box back up just so the stoppers grab, so we can reinstall the damper. Finally, just grab the damper and slide it back into position. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps support the channel, and subscribe if you haven't done so.